Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here with another little flip through. Should probably be a quick one. um, these I made are, this one is a pouch with a little journal, and this one is a just like an ephemera holder. And I got these ideas, which I've made these before, but the ephemera holder one I got the idea from Roxy Creations again. Love her. And yeah, so I thought I would share what I made with you. The prints are from Roxy Creations or My Porch Prints, as I have been doing for a while now. Stocking them, ladies. Love them. I love all their stuff. It's so pretty. I love their creations. I'm jealous. I wish I was like that. I cannot layer like they do. I cannot collage like them, but I love them. And okay, let's start with this one. This is just a ephemera packet. It holds all your ephemera in there. I love them. And she has a video on how to make these, and they're so, I'll have to link that below for you. So amazing. And I bought My Porch Prints bee kit, and yeah, love it. This is what this looks like on the outside, and it's made out of a lunch bag, and I just love these. I have a couple. I'll show you really quick the ones that I made for myself. This one I made for myself, and it's got like all my little flower die cuts in there. This was, I think, my first one that I ever made of these snippet or ephemera holders. And then I made this one, and it has got my Tim Holtz die cuts in there. And this one is made with, as you can tell, Edith Holden pages that don't have the pretty flowers on them. So I just used them as the inside for my ephemera holders. And what was this one? This one's Edith Holden book pages as well. And then I have this one, which holds my birds, butterflies, and owls inside. And this one is also Edith Holden on the inside of it. But I just love that. I love to have and keep my ephemera all separate like this. And I also have this one, which is pretty full. And this is the back of this one. I just think they're so gorgeous. And this one is actually made out of the book pages that are, I'll show you. I have this big, large, I think I've showed it before. Maybe I won't show you because I think my dog, I've moved it so many times, blocking my dog, that now I don't know where I put it. Anyways, it's made out of, this great big large bird book I have, and the pages, the birds are way too big for journaling, but they're really sturdy pages, so I just use them for the inside of this one. And this has got my blue kit from My Porch Prints in there, and yeah, a couple other little things, but she's kind of full, but she can hold, they can hold so much, it's so crazy, and I just love it. It's also made out of my bee kit as well. But I made all 4 of these for myself. I made Trina one too, and oh wait, here's another one that I have for myself. My bee one, which I'm in love with that kit right now. And I made it to have a pocket there, and there's a pocket here. You can slide stuff in as well. This is the back. I love this one. I love the bees. I love them all. But yeah, that's got all my little bee kit ephemera that I've cut out so far in this one. And I just put the snippet or the closure on this side because I didn't want it to be like messed up with this pocket right here. So yeah, so there's all my little pieces of ephemera that I'm using. I haven't quite filled them up yet, but they just sit right on over here, and I just grab them when I need them. So this one is going in the mail today, so I wanted to show you this. And then we get to the journal. I've made these before, quite a while ago, but I made them before. And I made this one out of her bee kit. and it's a lunch bag. All these are made from lunch bags, and I will link her video below showing you how to do that. If I can find it again. I will. But this one is so cute. I made this to be a little pocket here. This is just some extra journaling right there. But you take the paper clip off, and then there's a little pocket inside here. The piece of ephemera to journal on. And I sewed all around it. It's a little stiff right now because I haven't been messing with it, but it gets in there. Come here. And you don't really need that paper clip on there, but I did it anyways. But I just love it. It's so cute. I love all these papers. I fussy cut the bee out. And I had Trina, I write like horribly. My writing is so hideous. So I had Trina write me out a bunch of names and year. So I can use those on my journals because I don't have a stamp. I really want a stamp, but I just got to get my butt busy and get one. And I haven't done it yet. So inside, here is the journal. And inside it's covered up with the bee paper as well. And this also has, come here, a pocket right here, which I have this big large tag in. And this is made out of an old, this one is made from a bag from a restaurant, like a takeout bag restaurant, because it's bigger than these. And I don't have any extra large bags other than that one, so I used it for this one. And this is the journal that goes inside. And this was meant to be straight, but ended up being crooked, and I loved it anyways, so yeah, I just left it that way. And I put a bag in between it. There's a little journaling card. There is the back of the journal. And here is the front of the journal. And this has this journaling card inside. And this is the front. I sewed all around it. I just love, I don't know, I just love it. Super love it. And I got some new paper from Amazon. And it's heavier weight, and I really like it too for printing my digitals on. And there is that little journaling card. I just used some random paper that I had laying around here. Some leftover pieces for journaling cards. Old in dictionary page. And this is Artie Mays. And we have this little, I can't remember whose this is. Oh my goodness. Like always, I'll try to link everybody's digitals below. I think this is Mrs. Coggs right here. I don't like this lighting. Y'all can't see. It's like when I'm here, it's blocking it, so you can't really see very well. I'm so sorry. I hope you can see how gorgeous this is. I love it so much. Guess check. Little map paper. And over here is a little pocket with a little tag. Maybe if I stand sideways, you can see it better. This was out of the bee kit. It was a free gift with the bee kit, and I loved it. So I just made a little fold over with that. And some vintage kids book page. Some paper ruffles in here. Here's a little tuck spot. This is the middle. I sewed it in, and that's how I got my back crooked, because I thought I had it straight, and then I just sewed it on, and it was like that. But I ended up actually liking it, so that's why I left it. Otherwise, I probably would have took this out and fixed it, but I liked it, so I left it. I love that teacup right there. It's a map. The other side of that, which a little kid colored it, and I love that. It's so cute. But it's just a little writing journal, little tuck spot right here. And, oops, some more ruffle I made. This flips out. And I don't know, the whole book is crooked Kind of. Not really, no. The inside's not really crooked, but I don't know. I love it. It's an original, and you'll never see another one like it, right? Little flip out. Some more ruffle. Music paper. And then there's this little tuck spot in the back. And that is this cute little journaling pocket. I call it a clutch, pocket clutch, or clutch. I just think she's turned out so cute. And I absolutely love these ephemera holders. I also made this one, which I've made a big one of these before, and I've seen Gail, I think, make these. But my big one, I glued what is those? It's not glassine, but oh my goodness, what is this stuff called right here? This clear stuff. Lost my words, ladies. But anyways, I also made this one, and this time I sewed them in instead of gluing them in, because every time I'd put something in it, it would just like pop off. This would come off, so I sewed all these in, and I put a lot of my little, you know, stamps, and this is actually an envelope that I cut up and used for the pockets. But I put all my stamps, little peoples, and just certain ones in this one as well. Little ephemera holder. And I just keep it on my desk, and I like it because I kind of made it boho-ish as well. But between these and these, it's a lifesaver holding all your stuff in these. It's amazing. But that's all I have to share today, and thank you so very much, and I will try to link everybody below that I used, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.